Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Today is July the 2nd and the devotion is Spiritual GPS. I have wandered away like lost sheep. Come and find me, for I have not forgotten your commands. Psalms 119 verse 176. Getting lost is pretty rare these days. A GPS points the way when we need directions. And our smartphones keep this technology within easy reach. Yet, occasionally, we find ourselves out of range or with a map that is outdated. We need someone to show us the way. This same thing happens on our faith walk. Despite the guidance from study, prayers, mentors, we wander off the path and get lost. When we experience spiritual disorientation, we need God to show us the way. He is never out of range or out of date. God, you are my spiritual GPS. Each time I lose my way, you find me. You hear me when I call. You hear me when I call, and you lighten the proper path. The nighttime. God hears the tender, humble plea of his lost sheep. Whether from distraction or disorientation, when they realize they are lost, he hears their pleading and comes to their rescue. Even if geographically lost is rare, getting metaphonically lost is still quite common. As we progress along our faith journey, we get distracted or we stumble and wander off the path. The moment we recognize our predicament, we can call and he will come. The question of the day: where have you gotten a little lost? Ask your shepherd to come and find you. I know there have been many a times that I have lost my way on the path of faith. And every time I've asked. God has come and rescued me and put me back on the right path. So I hope that if you are having struggles today, that all you do is have to ask God and He will show you the right path to go on. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, share my videos, and remember, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.